Hi everyone, I'm heidiroro and welcome back to my channel. I created this beautiful blue smoky eye inspired by the new Kim K and Mario palette, so if you guys want to create this look, then let's get started. First step is to apply your brows. Second step, I'm using this concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm adding it to prime my eyes. And I'm setting my eyes with the Glossier Wowder. Now going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using Silk Cream and this fluffy brush and I'm adding it to my crease. To get a very blown out cat eye shadow look, I'm cutting this shadow shield in half and I'm applying it to my eyes. And with a flat brush, I'm using this royal blue shade called Twerk all over my lids. I wasn't seeing the pigmentation that I wanted, so I added some MAC Fix Plus on my brush and now I'm getting that beautiful royal blue. If you have a hard time creating a cat eye with eyeshadow, I really recommend shadow shields because it gives you that beautiful look without the trouble. Now I'm using this warm terracotta shade called Roxanne and I'm lightly dusting this all over the crease and buffing out that blue. And I'm also using this dark chocolate shade only on the outer corner to deepen this smoky eye. Now I really want my eyes to pop, so I'm using this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Too Shy and I'm just applying it with my fingers. Look at that pigmentation, you guys. It is so bold and bright. Now that the eyes are somewhat complete, I'm just taking a makeup wipe and I'm removing any of that fallout or any mistakes that you have. And I'm doing something different today. I'm using ABH's Creme Gel Liner in Jet to create my cat eye. I'm applying the Butter London Double Decker Mascara and I'm using the Noir Fairy Light Lashes from House of Lashes. I'm using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer and I'm just applying that all over my face. And I'm using the Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation, and to be honest you guys, I think this foundation broke me out. I realized that I was getting a lot of texture on my skin and it only happened after I applied this foundation. I'm going to have to test this out a little bit more just to see. I would say that this is light to medium coverage, so if you are a full coverage girl, you might not like this foundation. But otherwise, I think this is a great everyday foundation because it's very lightweight. Now I'm concealing those under eye circles with the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm also highlighting the center of my face. And I'm just blending everything out with a damp beauty sponge. I'm going to set my entire face. I'm using a smaller brush right under my under eyes, but everything else I'm using a fluffy face brush. And I'm going to bronze up my skin with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And I'm also using a smaller brush to contour my nose. I'm using my favorite blush. This is the NARS Madly blush, and I'm just adding it to the apples of my cheeks. And I'm going to highlight the high points of my face with a Dose of Colors Desi X Katy Fuego highlighter. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Highliner on my lower lash line, and I'm buffing out that liner with that same royal blue shade. Now I'm just going to line my lips with this LA Girl lip liner. And over top, I'm applying the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Truffle. Something was definitely missing, so I just added some Fuego highlighter in my inner corners to brighten up my eyes. I'm adding this gold liner in the center of my lip, so it looks like a lip ring. And last but not least, I'm just setting my face with Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. I hope you guys liked this blue smoky eye tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below on what you'd like to see next, and subscribe so you join the family. Thanks for watching. Bye!